inside the car, what we're gonna wrap are my transmission housing and my infotainment housing. Basically, all we're gonna need are these prying tools. Look at the transformation on my center console. We went from this to this, and I'm gonna show you guys how. The way it's gonna work is I'm gonna dig around just slightly all over here. And I'm gonna do the same here, and carefully with my flathead screwdriver, pry it out. Alright, so from this angle, you wanna get right under here and push down. See how that's already coming out? Just a tad bit. And it looks like you're gonna break it, but you're not. See that? Boom. Pop it right. Uh-oh. Oh, that broke. That's not good. One of my plastic bits actually broke. But there you go. So you just push it in, twist it. If you can look closely over here and here, I can fit my screwdriver nicely. I just have to twist it, which will release it. So let's twist it more. Good. Nice and easy. Okay, and you see this? This is already coming off. In order to take this off, there's a tab behind this. You just push it, and then we pull it. Same thing on this side. There's a tab right here. You just push it, and you pull it. And voila! The next thing you want to do is take this off. Alright, so for this step, we're going to take a flathead screwdriver right here and just push. There you go. See it's popping out? Good. Now we move up. 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 Just like how we did this side, we're going to start prying from the bottom on this side. So, just like that. Good. Here. Here. Poke it in. Twist it. Okay. You see that? Now it's out. There's 4 connectors we have to unplug. The passenger airbag sensor light, the emergency light, our cigarette lighter, and of course, our AC furnace for our emergency parking lights. There's a tab right here. We're gonna use this tiny flathead screwdriver. We're gonna push down with a thumb, and the top tab here, we're just gonna push it. There you go. To take off your cigarette lighter, there's a tab on the bottom right there. We're gonna push it and pull it. Easy. Okay, now to get our AC and heating cable off, which is here, there's a giant tab here. We're gonna take our flathead screwdriver, push it, and turn it. And see how easy that came off? Perfect. Now for the passenger airbag wire, we're gonna take this, we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna take our flathead, push it in here, and pull it out. Just like that. Now we have our infotainment unit taken completely out. And of course, a little housing for the tranny. So, to take off the housing for the LCD and speaker over here, you're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver. And this is super simple. You just pry it in here, just like that. Same thing on this side. Okay, so once you do that, pull it out. Ta-da! Now, to get this one, all we gotta do is just lift it up like this, up here, and that's it. Alright, so we're in the junkyard now, and as you can see, rest in peace for the Genesis Coupe. We're gonna take the 2011 interior and swap it with my parts. This is the 2010 display. This is the 2011 display because you can tell it's EXP3. I'm also switching the infotainment system. So this is the 2010. I took out these buttons from the 2011. I'm going to hook up the 2011 CD player, all that radio stuff, with the 2011 display, and I'm going to swap for my 2010 display. I'm going to show you the difference. So the main thing is this display. So this is the radio. Shows you temperature, aux, whatever. This is the setup menu. I have to press this. I just hate the font and the amount of bits on the screen, right? So it's so simple. There's 4 screws here, 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 here. And all you do is just remove this. And there's a connector tab right here. I'm gonna remove that. By the way, that's how your housing looks like without anything. I think that's the speaker there. So that's the old gen, which says EXP2, and this is EXP3. So we're gonna hook this up right now. So I got the new one hooked up, and take a look at the display. Oh man, so much better already. So much better. And if I go to the setup menu, wow, look how advanced that is in 1 year. But already, even the volume, check it out. Oh my goodness, it's just so much nicer. I'm really happy with this one. In order to remove this, there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna swap that out, and there's gonna be some connectors in the back. Okay, so I took out the 4 screws, and this is the back of the housing. It's very hard for me to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna give you an idea. There's 3 connector tabs on the back. That's like a yellow, brown, gray. There's a yellow right here and a gray right here. The nice thing is it's all compatible, so whatever is on the back of here is on the back of here. So I'm just gonna swap it off. Another key thing to know, this is a D18 model. This is a D35 model. Okay, so they both have been removed. You could also tell the difference between the power button. The power button for the 2010 has a matte finish. The power button for the 2011 and above has like a more of a gloss finish. Okay, so the connection's all been connected back. Now I'm gonna slide this back in. The nice thing about the 2011 is like, I had to use Bluetooth with this. This is an Amazon adapter. Now, I can directly connect my phone to the system. So let's see how the radio starts. Yeah. Take something like this. Small like little needle here. Right here. Just gonna pry it open. Easy. And now you can actually take your flathead. They just nicely come off from the silver. I should press them by accident. Info. And display. Awesome, eh? And this is the new display. It's an easy swap, really. I just have to put this here, get all the connectors ready, and we're good to go. Okay. Converted from the entire silver to all black. That's my old silver stuff. Sayonara. Change this, and everything else in between. This looks so much better, oh my goodness. If you guys enjoy my work, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.